Madi Sharma, class 7th, chapter number 16, congruence. In that, introduction part is, now first of all, congruent. Congruence means two plane figures are congruent if each one superpose two other covers to it exactly. We shall use the symbol congruent like this way, okay, to indicate it is congruent. Now if you have to write that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, so this way we can indicate the congruence. Now congruence of line segment. Now when we will say that the line segment is congruent to another line segment, so two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. If this AB is 3 centimeter, then CD is 3 centimeter. We can say that AB congruent to CD. Okay. Congruence of two angles. Now here, if your two angles are congruent if they have the same measure. So if this is 45 and QPR is also 45. So we can say angle CAB congruent to angle RPQ. Okay, if the angle is same, then it is congruent. Then the angle are congruent. Now for the square, if two square are have same length, okay, in square all sides are same. So if it is 5, whole length is 5. So the length is same, then we can say two squares are congruent. So here we have square ABCD equal to square PQRS, congruent. ABCD congruent to PQRS. Now for same as the rectangle, but rectangle have length and breadth. So if the two rectangle have length and breadth same, then we can say that they are congruent. So if here it is 5, it should be 5, and here it is 6, so here also it will be 6. So length and breadth should be same. Then we can say that rectangle ABCD congruent to rectangle PQRS. Okay. Now for the congruence of two circles. Now when we will call the two circle is congruent, two circle are congruent if they have the same radius or the diameter. Radius or diameter is same, then we can say that they are congruent. Now here it is 3, so the radius should be 3, or here diameter is 6, so this is also 6. Okay, so both diameter or a radius should be same. So C1 means circle C1 is congruent to C2. We can write like this way. Now exercise 6.1, second one, fill in the blanks. Two line segments are congruent if their length is same, right? If they have same length. Two angles are congruent if they have same angle. Two square are congruent if their length is same. Two rectangle are congruent if their length and breadth is same, and two circle are congruent if their radius or diameter is same. Third one, in figure 7, A equal to B equal to C, name the angle which is congruent to angle AOC. Here given A equal to B equal to C. Name the angle which is congruent to angle AOC. Now which angle is congruent here? AOC. Okay, this angle is A equal to B equal to C. Now we can't say that DOC is congruent. We can't say the ACOB is congruent, because here A plus B we need. So we can say that this is congruent. BOD DOB, this angle is congruent, because if A plus B, so we can take B plus C. But why? Because all are same, so if we add it, so sum is also same, so answer is BOD. So angle congruent to this is angle BOD. Is it correct to say that any two right angle are congruent? Give reason to justify your answer. Now any two right angle are congruent? Yes, they are congruent, right? Why? Because their angle is same, 90 degree, so we can say they are congruent. Sixth one, in figure, an AOC congruent to PYR and BOR congruent to QYR. Name the angle which is congruent to AOB. Now AOC means whole angle is congruent to PYR, whole angle. BOC means this only angle is congruent to QYR. So this angle, okay, this big angle is congruent to PYQ, is congruent to angle PYQ, okay, PYQ. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? All square are congruent. False, right? If their length is same, then only they are congruent. If two square have equal area, they are congruent. True, because if square have equal area, their length is also equal only, okay, so they have true. If two rectangle have equal area, they are congruent. False, their length and breadth should be different also. If two triangles are equal in area, they are congruent, but we didn't know their length, right? We didn't know the angle, if they have same or not, so it is false. Thank you for watching this video.